I found a near-million luxury car in a scrapyard. Lexus 570. Boss, $8,000. Make it cheaper, boss. I'm old. That's my lowest. So I didn't hesitate to grab it. Wait, let's light it up. Check it over. Then look at the engine and see if it responds. Start it up. The engine still fires and turns over properly twice. Ah, perfect. The car hasn't been completely stripped. Next, watch how I turn trash into treasure. I'm going to refurbish this nearly totaled million yuan luxury car. Prepare it like this, and like this. Strip it down clean. The space restoration prep needs to be even more thorough. This luxury car ended up in the scrapyard because the chassis frame was severely damaged. The body and frame had separated. The main beams were completely deformed. Damn, even the bushings were all rotten. Couldn't take it anymore. First, I gave it a thorough wash. The inside of the chassis was also full of grime, so this time I cleaned everything completely. Cleaning's finished. The chassis has to be completely taken apart. Pull the engine out and strip it down. Hit the road. The chassis disassembly is complete. Now, it's tear down the engine. Luckily, the engine's yours, and it's in good condition. I hate myself. Yeah. The engine is badly burnt and severely stuck. Wow, the engine tear down is complete. Next it goes into ultrasonic cleaning. The frame is completely rotten. No way around it. We'll just replace it with a new one. Chassis parts get laser rust removal. Then a fresh anti-rust coating and full restoration. Finally, everything will be carefully reassembled. Planning's all done. The engine's out of the pot. So let's start assembling it together. All the parts are ready and laid out. With so many components and screws, do you think we'll have any left over? This is the The engine assembly is complete. Time to start working on the car body. The car body also has several severely damaged areas that need to be repaired. The entire car's paint surface is sanded and sprayed to a 6-stage finish. Apply the color coat. It's already shining right after the paint. Now, we move on to the interior work. Reinstall the sound insulation and remove all the old, worn interior mounts and fixtures that have aged over the years. Clean everything thoroughly and reinstall proper. Brand new sound insulation. Replace all the screws with new ones. Both the car body and chassis are fully refreshed. The overall exterior and interior are reassembled and looking great. If you think it's coming together nicely, don't forget to hit like. The car's seats are fully reupholstered. The engine bay has been thoroughly cleaned, and the chassis has been re-inspected. After 3 months of work, the restoration is complete. If you like it, remember to like and follow. Do you remember what he looked like when he first arrived? When he was on the verge of being scrapped at the end of his life, I made the resolute decision to save him. Let's take a look at the final result together. Love. Oh, yeah.